Hello friends, welcome back to another Monday motivational video. Today I will tell you how you can read more books. As I always suggest, to improve your English, to improve your vocabulary, you all should read more books. So tip number first is pick a book genre that interests you. As in you like fiction, non-fiction, romance, autobiography, biography or self-help books. Like the type of books, the category of books you like the most. Decide for yourself the category that interests you the most. Pick a book from that particular genre. Tip number 2, carry it in your bag with you everywhere. Now it's very important to carry the book everywhere with you so that you can read it as in when you get time to read it, so that is the best way to complete a book rather than let it sit on your desk table or study table. Tip number 3, decide the next book you will read once it's finished. See, to finish the book, you should have the next reward ready, the next book ready. You should have it in your mind that once I'm finished with this book, I'm going to read this next book, and that will really help you. Tip number 4, if you're not enjoying the book, stop reading immediately. Definitely don't push yourself that you have to read it for the sake of it. It is very important that whatever interests you, whatever feels good with you, you have to do that only. You have to read that book only. So just stop reading it and look for something else that is more interesting or more of your type that you like reading, right? And tip number 5, give 1 hour of your day for reading. Now I would highly suggest you to read at least for 1 hour a day so that you get that something from the book, because if you read less than that, then you will not be able to complete like 1 or 2 pages only, and you will not be able to form that schedule to complete the book. So if you really want to put that interest, and if the book will really be interesting, I guarantee you that you will read more than an hour a day. But at least to start with, you should have this much time of reading that will change your complete life, your communication skills, your vocabulary, your English, everything, and you as a person in total as well. So I will really suggest you to more books, and to see the kind of books, the links of the books will be provided in the description box below. To look for them, go and check, and you can buy directly from those links as well. Bye bye. Thank you. Subscribe for more.